Alright everyone, welcome back to problem 2. As you can see here, we have another set of addition and division between mixed fractions. So the first thing we always do is to turn it into improper fractions. So 2 and 2/7 we get, well that's 14, so 16 sevenths plus 28 ninths plus 24 elevenths plus 39 plus 9 is equal to 48 13ths. And then these final ones, it's just proper fractions. So we could just copy it right off. All right. Now our second step is always to observe. Let's take a closer look at these fractions. So over here we see that they have the same denominators, right? 7, 9, 11, 13, 7, 9, 11, 13. But there's an interesting pattern with the numerators as well, right? This is 16 sevenths. This is 4 sevenths. 16 sevenths is 4 times 4 sevenths. 28 ninths and 7 ninths. 28 is 4 times 7. 24 is 4 times 6, and so is 48 4 times 12. So each of these fractions over here is 4 times the fraction with their corresponding denominator in the second parentheses, meaning that right off the bat we know that the answer is 4. So really all it took was a little bit of observation and perhaps just turning mixed numbers, because they're really hard to look at, into easier to look at improper fractions. And the reason you want improper fractions are usually more efficient in your calculations is because, first, mixed numbers can be quite confusing, because sometimes when we get to algebra, which is something you should be learning in high school, or actually 7th grade, I guess, pre-algebra is in 7th grade, you will the multiplication sign is omitted. For example, 7 times the variable a, usually they wouldn't write this. It would either be 7 dot a for multiplication, or most of the time 7a. See how that multiplication sign is omitted or not written? Yeah. So once you get into algebra, which is something we will be working on in this course as well, you might somehow confuse this as 2 times 2 sevenths or 3 times 1 ninth. So yeah, just be careful, and that's a good tip. So thanks for watching through Inquisitive Kids, and see you in our next video.